Hey coaches, want to pick the best quiz funnel tool? Let's break down Interact, Outgrow, and ConvertKit in a snap, then see which one's right for you. Let's dive in. First, Interact. Interact is a quiz making champ, perfect for coaches who want to grab leads. It's super easy to use with over 800 templates for personality or product quizzes. You can customize everything, colors, logos, and questions to match your brand. It connects smoothly with emails tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to sort leads automatically. Plus, it has great analytics to track how your quiz performs. But it's mostly focused on quizzes, and pricing starts at $39 a month, which can feel steep for some. Next, Outgrow. Outgrow is like a Swiss Army knife for interactive content. You can make quizzes, calculators, polls, and more. It's great for coaches who want variety and advanced features like logic jumps to guide users based on answers. With over 1,000 templates, it's customizable and works with tools like ActiveCampaign. The downside? It's a bit trickier to learn, and plans start at $22 a month, but advanced features cost more, like $95 a month. Now, ConvertKit. ConvertKit is mainly an email marketing tool, but has a quiz builder through ConvertFlow. It's simpler for coaches who already use ConvertKit for emails. You get mobile-friendly templates and can create multi-step quizzes to personalize lead paths. It's great for quick setup and integrates with your email lists. But it's not a dedicated quiz tool, so it lacks some advanced quiz features. Pricing starts free with paid plans from $10 a month. How do they compare? Ease of use. Interact and ConvertKit are super simple. Outgrow has a learning curve but offers more options. Price. ConvertKit's free plan is budget friendly. Interact is pricier, and Outgrow's advanced features can get expensive. Who wins? Pick Interact if you want a dedicated quiz tool with tons of templates. Choose Outgrow for flexible, advanced content beyond quizzes. Go with ConvertKit if you're on a budget and need email integration. Try their free trials to see what fits your coaching style. Like and subscribe for more videos.